JWST confirms atmosphere on the rocky exoplanet TRAPPIST-1e, just 40 light years away, and it's orbiting a tiny red star. It's the strongest evidence yet for a steamy lava fueled atmosphere, described as a wet lava ball, hinting at volcanic activities and possible water cycles. And it might just be the best shot at finding a second Earth, rewriting what we know about the habitable worlds. But first off, let's go back in time. Back in 2017, when astronomers spotted the TRAPPIST 1 system, the ultra cool red dwarf star with 7 Earth sized planets crammed into a tight orbit, like our solar system but with a traffic jam. Three of those worlds, D, E, and F, hang out in the habitable zone, where it's not too hot and not too cold for a liquid water to sustain. Now, the TRAPPIST 1e orbits every 6 days, gets about as much stellar energy as Earth does from the Sun, and it clocks in at roughly 0.92 Earth masses with a similar rocky vibe. But here's the kicker. Red dwarfs like TRAPPIST 1 are the flare machines, blasting X rays and UV radiations that can strip atmospheres faster than you can say solar wind. So the question arises, these planets, do they even have air? Well, JWST is here to spill the tea. Now, fast forward to 2023 and 2025. JWST's NIR spec instrument locks onto TRAPPIST 1e during its 4 transits, and that's when the planet passes in front of its star, letting us peek at its fingerprints in an starlight. The data acquired was mind blowing. No thick hydrogen blanket like mini Jupiter. Instead, we detected a secondary atmosphere, nitrogen rich, with traces of methane. Think Titan, Saturn's hazy moon, but warmer. A greenhouse gas that could actually trap the heat. But wait, it's not just any atmosphere. Well, the recent 2025 papers in the Astrophysical Journal letter says this could be a steamy lava-fueled setup, a wet lava ball partially melting from its tidal forces as the planet is locked in synchronous rotation, one side always facing the star, creating the magma oceans that could burp out the volcanic gases. Maybe they are feeding the atmosphere. Vapor rises from hot spots, condenses on the cooler night side, and rains back down, possibly forming the subsurface oceans. Well, the researchers call it the first order question. Does an atmosphere even exist? And if yes, this volcanic churn might sustain it against the star's flares. Now, because science loves a plot twist, methane signals, they could be noise. It means methane could be just from the stars. But the statistics says a thin N2CH4 mix, it fits the best. And the spectra show N2 rich air, not a puffy H2 with the hints of CH4 cycles. Rain on the dark side, steam on the hot. But we definitely need at least 15 more of JWST peaks. And if it's real, it will be a game changer for the alien life out there. The TRAPPIST 1e could be the blueprint for the habitability around red dwarfs. For example, Proxima Centauri b, 4 light years away, might pull the same trick. Or LHS 1140b, another rocky world with steamy vibes. But what about the life evidences? Well, methane definitely could mean microbes munching within the rocks, like Earth's deep sea vents. But future JWST runs might detect for more biosignatures, like dimethyl sulfide. And could it be the next Space Pandora mission in 2026? What do you think? Drop your theories below. Smash that subscribe button for more science updates like this, and I will catch you in the next video.